Former Finland and British rally champion Tapio is the winner of the 36th edition of the Guru Nanak rally. Tapio led from the start to finish to clinch the last leg of the KCB Kenya National Rally Championships ahead of veteran Ian Duncan.
As the final leg of the KCB Kenya National Rally Championship took off at Konza, it was clear from the start of the impending stiff competition that was going to be witnessed. With the championship already in the hands of Kisumu-based Jasprit Chath, elite drivers in the final leg of the competition were out to salvage their image as curtains closed down on the 8th leg of the rally. Billed as the most grueling and challenging leg of the Kenya Rally, this year's edition did not fail to live up to its reputation as more than 5 drivers dropped out due to mechanical failure. The reputation of the course, however, did little to undeter former Finland and British rally champion Tapio in his Subaru Impreza GVB13 as he led from the start to finish to clinch the win, adding to his 3 legs that he had already bagged this year. Lukanen finished in a time of 1 minute 28 seconds. Veteran Ian Duncan, who clinched last year's Guru Nanak edition, closed in on 2nd place, while Raj Barij was 3rd.
It's been a nice season. We had some up and downs, obviously, a couple of retirements. That's always a bad thing, but it's part of the rally. No, it's been good. I mean, speed-wise, and also my driving has been good. I've been very pleased about that. Yeah.
Every rally is a challenge. I mean, what's really good is Tapio has come. You know, we have some real hot competition, showing everyone how we should be driving.
In the 2WD class, Eric Bengi proved his class after emerging the winner to oust last year's winner Leonardo Varas, who achieved his 4th career championship in the last year's event. Jasmeet Chana was crowned the KNRC Division 1 champion, with James Kirimi clinching the supplementary class championship. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sports.